So hello everyone, it's Mahfuz Anik. Today I'm going to presenting our work titled Preserving Cultural Identity with Context-Aware Translation through Multi-Agent AI System. So first, let's talk about the motivation behind our research. So our core motivation was limited cultural and linguistic coverage, also rising language enlargement. Current AI translation system often miss stable meanings, especially in indigenous or tonal languages. Studies show up to 47% of meaning can be lost. Also, as globalization spreads, many native languages are fading. Our motivation is to address these gaps with AI that not only translate but also understand the cultural and context behind the languages. And if we talk about our core contribution, we developed a multi-agent AI system for translation that all goes beyond basic translation. It includes agents for translating, interpreting cultural cues, synthesizing content, and checking for bias. Our system uses tools like QAI, LangChain, AI model to make sure translation are context aware and ethically sound. Then if we go for our methodology section, our system overview, our system uses a multi-agent pipeline where each agent specializes a specific role. AI expands a multilingual large language model, powers the core translation. We optimized the system using light LLM. And for cultural accuracy, we validate in real time with DuckDuckGo search tool. This allows us adapt translation dynamically based on culture. And if we talk about our model a little bit more, I expense 8 billion parameter model, which is trained up to 23 language. And in this work, we choose Hindi, Turkish, and Hebrew languages, which was well trained in this model. And we include both general adaptation. We tried 3 to 5 epochs, and low resource language fine tuning. We tried 10 epochs. Then if we talk about method, our agents, our first agent was translation agent. It converts English text into the target language, and its goal was to maintain linguistic accuracy while ensuring cultural relevance. Then if we talk, our second agent was interpretation agent. Its role was to ensure cultural adaptation of the translated content, and its goal was to verify the idioms, expressions, and cultural reference make sense in the target language. Then the next agent was content synthesis agent. Its role was to produce a well-structured and well-structured finalized version of the translated text, and goal was to ensure coherence, consistency, and proper documentation of cultural annotations. Our final agent was quality and bias evaluation agent. Its role was to ensure accuracy, fairness, and cultural sensitivity, and goal was to misinterpretation or unfair representation. So basically, one user first provided a text, and then the translation agent will translate. Then it passed to interpretation agent. It will check the idioms, expression, and then context synthesis agent ensure coherence, consistency, and proper documentation. And finally, our quality bias agent check all this and give us a final report and output. So our key findings from here, our framework tested on languages like Hindi, Turkish, and Hebrew. It preserved rituals and symbolic meanings better than model like GPT-4o. For instance, translations of Ganga Aarti or Nevraj retained a spiritual depth. Our bias agent also reduced misinterpretations by validating against real-time data. Overall, the system adaptation across topics like religion, history, and tradition. Maybe we'll try more topics later, but in this research we tried these 3 topics. So this was our work, and thank you for listening. Thank you everyone.